Hi, good morning mga friendship. It's me again, Peach Abacial. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing and let's be friends. For today, ang vlog natin is how to do this viral na Dalgona coffee. Ano nga ba yung Dalgona coffee? Well, it's a new viral way to make instant coffee. So it's a cold latte drink that comes with a velvety smooth and sweet coffee foam on top. At alam nyo ba na ito ay inspired by the South Korean, created from a South Korean YouTube channel before going viral on TikTok. So, magpapahuli ba tayo? I will do now my version of Dalgona coffee. Let's get it on! Yahoo! And these are the ingredients. So, you need an instant coffee, brown sugar, hot water, and the fresh milk. And syempre, kailangan nyo ng mixing bowl and a whisk kung wala kayong mixer katulad ko. Without further ado, let's start. So, in a mixing bowl, lagyan natin ng 2 tablespoons of instant coffee. And ang gamit ko is Nescafe Gold. And 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, as well as 2 tablespoons of hot water. And then, imimix na natin yan. Sisimulan na natin at lalagyan natin ng timer para malaman natin kung how many minutes ka bang mangangalay ang iyong mga braso. Ayan, 2 minutes na. Ano, kaya pa ba? Ngalay na ba? Ngalay na? Kaya nyo yan. Kaya natin to. Sa ngalan ng kape. Yan, ngalay na talaga. Yee, to the rescue yung honey ko. So sweet. So, alam nyo na. Dapat meron kayong honey. Para meron kayong substitute. Six minutes na at ayan na, lumalaki na yung braso ko. Anyway, yan. Nagiging may katotohanan na yung foam na ginagawa ko. Sige lang, ikot lang, ikot-ikot lang, ikot-ikot lang. At 10 minutes na! Ayan na, tama na to. Okay na yan. Yan, diba? Nakaka-excite na. So, ihanda na natin yung ating glass with ice. And ilagay na rin natin ang ating fresh milk. Kung wala kayong fresh milk, pwede naman ng powder milk. Lagyan nyo na lang ng water. At ilalagay na natin sa ibabaw itong ating coffee foam. Ano ba? Coffee foam. Diyos ko, Lord. So, ito na ang ating very refreshing Dalgona coffee. Thank you so much for watching mga friendship. That's all for today. I hope you like this video. And again, if you like this, syempre, subscribe na kayo sa aking channel. And comment down below kung nakagawa na rin kayo ng version nyo. By the way, dagdagan nyo pala ng fresh milk ha, kasi masyado siyang mapait para sa akin. So, add more fresh milk. Thank you and God bless us all. Smile! God loves you.